everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a mini haul of Illustrated Faith's new Fruit of the Spirit line. I saw this on scrapbook.com and I just knew I had to have it. Specifically because the Fruit of the Spirit is one of my very favorite verses, and then I just thought it would make great cards, uplifting to other people. So I will go through. I didn't get a whole lot because most of it is in the kit here, and I'll show that to you. But I did get a couple of other accessories, and this is the washi tape, and it says the Fruit of the Spirit. And I'm actually going to open this up to see what other words are on here. So we have Fruit of the Spirit. Oh, it doesn't say what fruits of the Spirit, it just says Fruit of the Spirit. But it's very pretty, very colorful, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of that. The next item is the Illustrated Faith clear stickers, and these actually say love, joy, peace, patience, goodness, kindness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control, and they would work really well with this together. So I have to figure out what kind of cards I'm going to do with these two items along with the paper. So I really like those, very nice. Now the paper pack is it's a collection kit, so it includes 8 12 by 12 double-sided patterned sheets or patterned paper, and 1 say it out loud sticker sheet, 2 double-sided borders and 3 by 4 papers, and 1 exclusive triangles patterned paper. So let's see what all this is, because it seems like kind of a lot more than what I normally would get in a kit. And you know, since it's around Easter time, I thought this was the perfect thing to share. So let's see, this is the cover, and it actually is paper on the back. This is the triangles, I believe, that they were showing or saying on the front. Exclusive collection kit bonus pattern. Interesting. Okay, so here we have pineapples. That's very cute. This is faithfulness, and then it has the fruits of the Spirit on the back. I like that. That'd make a very nice planner dashboard. And there's 2 sheets of this. Ooh, we have birds. I love birds. And this is called Gentleness. Oh, that's just really, really nice. Very pretty. And then the back has a very nice blush color background with little tiny white polka dots. And I actually think these two together, you know, the front and the back, would make very nice cards. Oh, I can't wait to do that, because I think that'd be very pretty. The next page is kindness, and it's a bunch of lemons, so I like that. And then there's more triangles on the back. Oh, it says a percentage of sales from this product will be donated. Very interesting. I like that. So let's see. I have some washi tape that is lemons that I think will go really well with this paper. And I already showed you, yeah, the little triangles. Next is strawberries, and I love this. It's very, you know, only partially colored, and you could do so much with this. You could color it yourself with any kind of medium, or just leave it the way it is. I love it. I think it's so cute. And then the back side of this is a marble blush, but it's kind of mottled, I guess you could say. Next we have the borders and 3 by 4s. So there's present for this moment, an apple, the fruits of the Spirit here, and by their fruit you will know them, Matthew 7:20. And then here's all the coordinating borders for the pages, and I love these. I like this one that says made by grace. This says be strong, and look at the peaches. Those are really cute. And on the back of this is all different kinds of just arrows going every which way. And I actually got a couple extra sheets of this one because I wanted to have extra 3x4 cards, because I wanted to do a set of 4 cards to give away or whatever, to do whatever with. Maybe I'll put them on Etsy, I don't know. And but in order to do a set of 4, I got 4 sets of 4, so that's why I got 3 additional pages of this one. And then lastly, we have this Fruit of the Spirit. It's like sticker sheet, say it out loud sticker sheet. And I'm going to go ahead and open this. So we've got God Grant Me. I'll put this where you guys can see it. Little crosses here. Everyday blessings. Holy Spirit, love, gentleness, goodness. Love this. Hashtag grace. That's cute. Fruit of the Spirit. And then God our Father, present for this moment. Great patience brings good things. Do your best. Faithfulness. And this is like a little tab for like a divider or something. And this one, I don't know what that says. Joy. I had to turn it around to find it. And then we've got some, let's see, help me be an example. I am changed. Very, very nice. I love this kit, and I can't wait to use it. And I'll try to share with you when I make the cards, so you can see what I did with the paper and with the stickers and the washi tape. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.